Y'all see this wig? I found her in my closet because my birthday coming up. I was like, I need some birthday hair. And I was like, I wonder where my curly hair is. We're gonna cut those strings right there. I'm like, where's my curly hair? And I'm like, oh no, my baby. So let me show you guys how I revamp my bundles. I like to use an eyebrow razor to cut the thread off the cap. Please be very careful doing this step. I did cut my finger, so only because I was trying to film and rush at the same time, and it was like 12 o'clock at night. So, but you guys, please be careful doing this step. You can use some small scissors too, but I like to use an eyebrow razor. And I get a pack of like 4 or 5 from Burlington's and Ross for like $3.99. So that's just a little budget tip for anyone that loves eyebrow razors like myself. But yes, this hair is really, really good hair. This is Brazilian deep wave, and it will be an option on my website. But I've had this hair for going on 2 years. Its snapback game is like none other, for real. Like, it snaps back. Like, I love this hair. It doesn't shed, it does the normal curly hair shed when you comb it out and stuff. But as far as like that goes, it's great hair. I love it. I recommend it. And you'll see it when I'm done revamping it. But I wanted to show those how I reuse my bundles, how I take it off the cap and how I wash it and how I air dry it and all that stuff. I am going to add a new closure to the wig. Like, I'm making a whole new wig, and I'm using a new closure. This was a frontal, and this time I just wanted to do a closure. So you'll see that as well later on in the video. But yeah, so this is just what I'm doing. I'm just cutting the thread off the tracks very carefully. And I'll let this part play. And then after this part, I believe we'll go straight to the wash part. So please stay tuned and just watch and let me know if you have any questions. So it's time to wash, and this part I am using warm to hot water because I want to get all of the residue and dirt off of it first before I start the shampoo process. And I do like to use the Tresemme, is it the Tresemme Replenish shampoo, I believe? It says it removes dirt and buildup on it, and I got it from Walmart. So in particular, I love this shampoo, this whole brand. For the price, I think it's really decent shampoo. So I'm just breaking it down first, getting it wet, and like I said, rinsing out all the residue. And then I'm going to add my shampoo. And you see how I'm washing the bundles. I'm getting on the tracks, and I'm running my fingers through it. This is how you wash your bundles, and this is how you wash your wig, like the hair. You do not want to scrunch the hair. I see a lot of people like scrunching it and rolling it up in a ball, and no, you have to like run your fingers through it, even a paddle brush through it, and that's how you wash bundles. You do not want to roll it up, scrunch it up, ball it up, like no. And that's how it gets tangled. And then you add more shampoo to it, and it's just a ball, right? It's just a whole ball, and you're like, this is some cheap ass, this is some cheap hair. No, No, I mean, sometimes it is, but for the most part, it's a user error. It's a user error. And I had to learn that. I learned that too. So over the years, I've learned how to wash my bundles, and this is the proper way to wash it. And then I follow up with the Tresemme Rich Moisture Conditioner, which I love as well. And I use a lot because this is curly hair. You want to keep all the moisture in the hair so it can stay, soft and curly. And then for curly hair, I definitely recommend using a denim brush. If I can, I'll insert a clip too. But I like to use a denim brush to define the curls a little bit more than a paddle brush. But, if all you have is a paddle brush, then, hey, you got to use what you got. But if you have a denim brush, definitely use that during this process because that will definitely really define the curls even more. And so this part, at first, I did a little bit of warm water, but I definitely followed up with cool water to lock in the moisture. And that's it. And so I'm just, it sped up, but it did take a little bit. It wasn't this quick. And I did every single bundle this way. And I'm just rinsing it out. And I follow up with a clean shirt because that's how I dry all of my hair, is in a clean shirt. I do not like to use towels. I don't know if it makes it more static. I just don't like it. So now that the hair is drying on some hangers, and I'll show that part too, I'm going to bleach the closure, the 4x4 closure, brown lace. For some reason, this is just what my vendor has right now. It's a brown lace. I gotta see if we can get it transparent. But anyways, I'm doing 1 scoop. You want to do 1 scoop for a 4x4 closure. I like to use white bleaching powder. You can use whatever. You can use blue or purple. Whatever fits your comfort level or what, the method to your madness, right? And then I'm following up with 30 volume developer because to me, 30 is not too fast. It's not too slow. It's just in the middle. And to know where you need to add more developer, your mix will look kind of like powdered sugar. So if it looks like that's kind of crumbling or crumbles, then that's when you want to add more developer in there because you want it. See, that's how you want the mix to look. You want to be able to whip it, Got that whip appeal. You want it like that. And so it's still stiff. It's not runny. So you want it thick. And I'm going to go ahead and add the bleach to the back of the closure with a popsicle stick. And I start from the bike, my favorite place. And then I wait, because I know this particular closure, I know I have to wait like 5 minutes and come back and then do the front. Because I know, right? Because this is my hair. So, but no, yeah. I had to wait like 5 minutes and then come back and then do the front. Because those back knots, they are just so thick. They take forever to bleach. Some people don't care. They're like, as long as that front is bleached and, then you can really work with everything else. And that's true. You really can. Because you can always use makeup and you can tint the lace to kind of hide those knots. So whatever you like to do, you definitely can do it. And I like to get a little bit of the bleach on the lace to kind of lighten up the lace a little bit if it's too brown on my skin tone. So I like to use white bleaching powder to kind of help with that. And I'm pressing in the bleach, but I'm not putting in my full body weight. And that's kind of how you want it to look. And then I like to use foil and wrap it up for about 15-20 minutes. But really just keep your eye on it. Truly, because everybody is different. Every vendor is different. Every hair is different. So just keep your eye on it. And it's been about 25 minutes, and that's how it looks. And so I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out with purple shampoo, and I'll be right back. And this is the next day. It looks so pretty. It's so bouncy and full of life. I mean, like I said, those curls just snap right back. I love this hair. So I do dry my hair on hangers, and you don't even need products. So Let it dry in its own natural state. I do have a revamp service on my website where I will revamp your wigs for you, or bundles. Just, it's $30, not too bad, and I can re-snap it for you if it's of quality, if the hair is good hair. I gotta say that. All right. But anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care. God bless. Mwah.